Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
First, install a C compiler like GCC or Min GWW64 on your computer. Download the installer and choose the correct architecture for your system. Install to C /min GW or another folder and allow required permissions. Add the compiler bin folder to the path environment variable for access. Open a terminal and run GCC version to verify installation and version. Install Visual Studio Code, and then add the Microsoft C/C++ extension from extension. Create a new folder for your C project and open it in VS Code. Set include path to your compiler include folders and any library headers you use. Next, create a tasks JSON file to automate compilation with GCC or G++ commands. Example task uses gcc-go to compile current file. Set args and CWD so the task appears in the Run Task menu. Save files and test the task by running terminal run task and choosing build. Also configure a simple launch. JSON to enable debugging with integrated debugger. To build and run, open your C file and use terminal run task to build. Then run the generated executable from terminal with /filename on Windows or /filename on Mac OS. For debugging, open the Run view and choose your launch configuration before starting the debugger. Set breakpoints by clicking the gutter next to the code lines you want to inspect. Use variables, watch, and call stack panels to trace program state while paused. Save workspace settings to reuse configuration across projects and speed up future setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.